Welcome back to another video. In this video it's going to have a look at the floors, what the floors were like. Not too bad, just a little bit of surface rust, quite dirty after removing the old floor and the carpet underneath it. We had to clean it up, a lot of sanding to get the surface rust off, to make it nice and clean. And then when all that was done, we washed the floor, made it nice and clean, and then we started painting with a rust proof or rust converting green undercoat to make sure that the rust would not come back up again. We put 2 coats of this on, and then we finished that off with 2 coats of silver metal paint, just to protect it, to make sure that it was not going to start rusting under the insulation and the flooring after all that was down. So after we did that, then we put the floor frame on, ready for insulation and flooring. Just a little bit on the floor here. I want to run cables under the insulation for DC to DC charging. So my house batteries are going to be at the back, and the battery is in the engine compartment at the front. But I haven't got the cables with me, so my brother suggested I just run a string line underneath. So I made 2 holes in the front of the floor frame, and it's going to drop the string line into this channel here and just run it all the way to the back and up near the wall behind the wheel arch, and just bring it up through the floor. And then when I get the cables, I'm going to run two string lines, one for negative, one for positive. And I'll just do that now. Well, we just had the first fitting of the first flooring sheet, and it was nearly right with the first cut. So we just trimmed it a little bit more, and wish us luck. I hope it's going to go in this time. It's a neck. Yeah.
Tuli mukavasti.
Much better. Tää on ihan tasan täältä, tää on hyvä. This can go in a bit more. It will, Tää on vielä täältä okei. That's in. Se on okei. Beautiful. Well, it fits. The second fitting, just after a little bit of trimming, the floor is in. Now I gotta screw it down, and I think then we might call it a day and have some dinner. The fully insulated house floor is finally down in my van. I'm so happy. It's going to be so nice living in this van winter and summer. The floor is going to help you to stay nice and cool in summer and warm in winter.